Hello everyone, welcome back my dear students of class 5th in your St. Mary's YouTube video channel in your computer class. So hope you are keeping well at home. So in our last video we have completed our lesson number 4, its question answers and the exercise. So nextly we are having our co-curricular assessment first, that is given on page number 44. So we are going to do our curricular assessment first. So you may open your page number 44 and take out your notebook to complete the work. So first of all, there is the A part, MCQs, multiple choice questions. So this will be done in the book only. So first one, tick the correct answer. So first question is, which of the following is or are the web-based email programs? A, B or C? That is C, both of these. What is the answer? www.gmail.com, then www.rediffmail.com. Okay. Then second one, the acronym FYI stands for your information. That's B. Okay. Correct answer is B. Then the third one, who invented difference engine? C. Charles Babbage. Which of the following software is used to work with images? That is Adobe Photoshop and Paint, both of these. Okay, C1. Then fifth one is, which of the following allows you to change the settings of a computer? That is control panel. Okay, once again I will repeat the answers. First C, both of these. Second B, for your information. Third B, Charles Babbage. Fourth C, both of these. Fifth C, control panel. Okay. Now coming towards our second part, give very short answers to the following questions. Okay, so questions you will see from the book, and here also I have shown you. So first question is, what do you mean by electronic mail or email? Yes, so here is our answer. Electronic mail or email is the fastest means of sending mails from one computer to another computer anywhere in the world. This is our answer number first. What do you mean by electronic mail? Electronic mail or email is the fastest means of sending mails from one computer to another computer anywhere in the world. Okay? Now next one. Next question is, what do you mean by Pascaline? So here answer is, Pascaline is the first calculator that was invented by a French mathematician, Blaise Pascal. Okay? You can take the screenshot or pause the video to complete the work. Now third one, what do you mean by software? Software is a set of programs and related data that are used to give instructions to the hardware. Okay? Software is a set of programs and related data that are used to give instructions to the hardware. Now the fourth one, define application software. Application software is a set of programs that helps the users to perform specific tasks. This is our fourth answer. Application software is a set of programs that helps the users to perform specific tasks. Now the next one, fifth one, what is antivirus software? Antivirus software program scans our disk for various viruses and removes them. And examples are also mentioned here, not on an AVG. Okay, so these are the examples, and this is antivirus software. So this was the last question of B part. Now come on towards our C part, that is give short answers to the following questions. Yes, so first one is, what are the advantages of email? Email means electronic mail. So what are the advantages? You can see from here. Advantages of email are, underline it. Then first one, it is the one of the fastest means of conveying our messages. This is first one. Second one, it is cost effective. Third one, it can consist of a few lines, pages or many pages. This is, here it is not full stop, here it is comma. So it consists of a few lines, pages or many pages. Now the fourth one, we can send the same message to many people at the same time without any additional cost. So these are the advantages of email, electronic mail. Okay. Now the second question is, who was Blaise Pascal? Just now we have studied in our B part about the Pascaline. So here Blaise Pascal was a French mathematician who invented first calculator. Okay, what was the name of that calculator? It was Pascaline. Okay, so this was our second question, second answer. So now the third one is, what is the contribution of Charles Babbage in the field of computer? Contribution of Charles Babbage. We know who is known as the father of computer. Who is known as the father of computer? You will send me your answer in the comment box. I want to see who will send me the first. So the English mathematician Charles Babbage invented difference engine to calculate mathematical table. He also invented analytical engine, and the last one is, he was considered as the father of computer. Okay. Computer, it is computer. Got it? So now see fourth one, give the classification of system software. So here system software is classified in three categories. So what are these three categories? Operating system, language processor and utility software. Got it? See, system software is classified in three categories, that is operating system, language processor and utility software. Got it? Okay. Now fifth one, what do you mean by MS Windows? MS Windows is a system software that acts as an interface between the computer hardware and the user. In last chapter we have studied this, we already seen this answer. So it is the interface between computer hardware and the user. So now our D part. Answer the following questions in detail. First one is, what is the scope of internet? Yes, scope of internet we know very well. Internet enables us to get information from all over the world. It helps us to send and receive messages, do online shopping, download pictures and videos, etc. So this is the scope of internet. Okay. Now our second question is, write a note on analytical engine. So Charles Babbage invented the analytical engine. It was driven by steam power. It had almost all parts of a modern computer. Okay. Then the third one is, define an operating system. An operating system is a software that acts as an interface between user and the hardware. This is our operating system. Got it? Now the fourth one, what do you mean by language processor? So language processor softwares are used to translate and convert a program written in computer language into machine language. I will repeat it. Language processor softwares are used to translate and convert a program written in a computer language into machine language. Then next one, fifth one, give two examples of each of the following. This is the last one and three parts are there. First one is accessories. So two examples are Paint and calculator. Second one, operating systems, MS Windows and Unix and Windows 7 games, Pebble, Place and Turtle. So these are the examples of the three parts. Okay. So here our co-curricular curricular assessment first is completed. What is your homework? Your homework is to complete your work and learn it. Okay? Until then, take care.